Hello everyone, the topic is energy stored in parallel plate capacitor. We know that in case of parallel plate capacitor, the capacitance is A epsilon naught by D, as we have discussed already in the previous topic. So A is the area, epsilon naught is the permittivity and its value is constant. D is the separation between the two plates of capacitor. So we know that the energy stored in capacitor is this energy is equal to 1 by 2 CV square. You can check the article for this formula. Also, V is the potential difference, C is the capacitance, and this is equal to 1 by 2. Put the value of C from here. So put the value of C from this equation. This is equal to A epsilon naught by dV square. Also we know that this is the relationship between electric field and potential difference. So electric field is potential difference per unit distance. So put this value here. So U is equal to 1 by 2 A epsilon naught by D. The value of V is ED. So here is E dot D the scale. So U is equal to 1 by 2 A D epsilon naught E square after cancelling. E is the strength of the electric field in the space between the plate. But this AD, area into distance, is equal to area into height. This is equal to volume of region between plate. Volume of region between plates. So energy store per unit volume of the capacitor is given by, this is the energy store per unit volume of the capacitor. Energy per unit volume of the capacitor is given by, this is 1 by 2 A D epsilon naught E square. So this is the value over volume. Volume is area into height, area into distance, separation. So after cancelling this is equal to 1 by 2 epsilon naught E square. So this is the total energy per unit volume. So U is equal to 1 by 2 epsilon naught E square. This is the total energy. This is square. Total energy per unit volume is called energy density. This total energy per unit volume is called energy density. This is energy density. So potential energy of the capacitor is stored in electric field between the plates. Thank you.